Welcome. If you're looking to stay updated with the latest trends and never miss out on the most popular pins on Pinterest, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to turn on email notifications for popular pins, so you're always in the loop with what's trending in your favorite categories. Let's dive right in. First, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features we'll be talking about. Once you're in the app, head straight to your profile. To do this, simply tap on your profile picture, which you'll find at the very top of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest space, where all your boards and pins are organized. Next, look for the Settings menu. Here, you'll want to find and tap on the Notifications option. This section is where you control how and when Pinterest contacts you about updates, activity, and more. It's a great place to customize your experience and make sure you're only getting notifications that matter to you. Now scroll down until you see the section labeled Pin Picks. Under Pin Picks, you'll notice an option called Popular Pins. Go ahead and tap on Popular Pins. This is the feature that highlights the most engaging and trending pins across Pinterest, tailored to your interests. Here's the important part. You'll see a toggle switch next to the email option. To start receiving email updates about popular pins, simply toggle this switch to the on position. Once it's on, Pinterest will start sending you notifications directly to your email whenever there's a new popular pin that matches your preferences. And that's it! You've now set up email notifications for popular pins on Pinterest. This simple change will help you keep up with what's hot, discover new ideas, and stay inspired every day. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!